up, guys? You already know what the time is. You feel me? Such a beautiful day out here today still. We'll be quarantining for a couple days. It's pretty chilly, but it's still beautiful though. So you guys already know the routine. Man's gonna have to take that out, take the next one out, and then pull out the other one out. Feel me? So that's what we're gonna do just now. But yo, I hope everyone is having a beautiful day, having a great time. Times are hard nowadays because of the quarantine and shit, like, you know. Shout out to all the self-employed people, yo. I hope you guys are taking this, like, I don't know, figuring out what other stuff, you know, what you guys want to do. But it sucks when you rely on people. Not really rely on people, but your business rely on talking to people, seeing people to make money. But hey, sometimes in life you just gotta do what you gotta do, adapt to the situation, feel me? But anyways, yo, today's video we're pretty much gonna be talking about the insurance on the RS5. Yeah, so stay tuned for that, and I'm gonna do like multiple videos still, and pretty much I'm gonna upload that in the coming days. Alright, so without further ado, let's get this video started. Alright, let's get on with the video. Give you a little bit cold start. You already know what time is it. All the OG subscribers, you already know. You know how she sounds. But for all the new subscribers, this we are. Yeah. Told y'all. Bubbling, bubbling, bubba, bubba. Alright? Alright, let's do a couple reps, and then, yeah, let's get on with the video. Say like 3 reps? 3? Yeah? Okay, cool. That's 1.5. Alright. So yo, check on my dash. Nah, psych. But yo, let's get on with this video one time. Alright? Yo, the noise she makes, yo, it's crazy.
In 400 meters,
like,
turn left.
That's exactly why I love this car. Like, I had to be patient to purchase this car still. But anyway, if we're going to Shoppers Drug Man, I need a lip bump still. Mine is kind of fucked. So
turn left onto Naples Street, then turn right onto Taunton Road East.
That was downshift though. Shush. But anyways, yo, like I was saying, insurance for this car. Just to let you know, I'm like having the problems of a tire.
Then turn right.
In Canada, right? So we have, I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, but we have the highest insurance in the whole entire freaking province. So yeah. So just a disclosure, I have a couple tickets. So when I pretty much got insurance for this car, I had about 4 tickets, so 4 conviction. So yeah, with that being said, that has a very huge impact on your insurance. So that, like, I ain't even counting the parking tickets, just like speeding, stop sign or whatever, without parking tickets. So yeah, I had 4 convictions. So that being said, with that,
turn right, then turn right.
My insurance is gonna be pretty high, and that's not only the reason though. Another reason is because of my age and the kind of car I'm driving, right?
Your destination is on the right.
So once again, I'm gonna remind you, I have a 2014 Audi RS5, and I'm 23. I'm gonna be turning 24 in about 2 months. So yeah, that's that. So my first year when I've owned this car for 10 months. Let me get some lighting. Anyways, yeah, so I've owned this car for like 10 months. Alright. For the last, so when I got the car, I was paying $700 a month for my car insurance. That was the cheapest rate I could get. Well, a little bit over $700, not exactly $700, it's a little bit over $700 for the first couple months. But I had to put a down payment on my insurance. Yep, down payment. And yeah, and then after a couple months, it dropped down to $700 flat. So I had that because I already had my insurance on my previous car, which is my 2013 Ford Fusion, which I was paying $400.15 every month. So back when I used to live in Montreal, I was paying less than $100 a month on that. So I moved to Ontario, I am paying like 4 times that amount. So woohoo! But anyways, yeah. My first year, a little bit over $700 a month, and my previous insurance, which was on the Ford Fusion, which I canceled. Well, I didn't cancel that. I just moved it over to this car. So I think I was spending about, let's say, about 7 months left into it, and yeah, I was paying a little bit over $700. So they added $300 more in order for me to get insured on this car. So after that, this is the second, well, not the second year. Like my insurance is over, right? So I had to get another insurance. So I waited a couple months to get another insurance, and the insurance that I was with dropped me because they said I was a high risk. So that's that. So I needed to get another insurance. I called my insurance broker, and excuse me, the best quote they could give me was the same amount. I'm like, fuck that. Like, are you dumb? Fuck you're talking about, like giving me the same amount. Like, I've been a good driver, no nothing. One of my ticket is dropping off, and you're telling me like, yo, you're gonna freaking give me the same amount. Are you dumb? Like, does it say dumbass on my forehead? Anyways, so I didn't take the insurance. I shopped around a little bit more. I went on Kinetics. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it is what it is. If you know what I'm talking about, props to you. But anyway, so yeah, I went on that, and I got $100 off. Well, a little bit over $100. So pretty much what they're charging me now with my new insurance, they're charging me $600 a month. Yeah, I know it's high, but hey, it is what it is. When I purchased this car, I wasn't literally concerned about the insurance. I know the insurance is gonna be high, obviously, but that high? Not really. So you guys do the math on that a year, and yeah, that's pretty much what the insurance is costing me on this car to own it, right? That's without including my freaking car payment. So yeah, so if I had to put my insurance on my car payment, I'll say probably between, yeah, close to 2 bands a month. Close to 2 bands a month to run this car. Well, not to run this car, to own this car. So to run it, yeah, it's gonna be about, yeah, close to 2 bands, yeah, with gas and all that stuff, yeah, close to 2 bands a month just for this car itself. Remind you, I have 2 vehicles, one daily and this one is occasionally, right? So yeah, so that's how much it costs me for my insurance every month. So there you have it. Is it worth it? Hell yeah. To drive this car? Hell yeah. Just freaking work hard and freaking, as long as you're making your payment, your insurance one day is gonna drop off. Like, fuck, just be safe out there, you know what I'm saying? Like, don't do dumb shit. Do dumb shit in a disclosed location, you feel me? Like, only this car is gonna get you a lot of trouble. And like, knock on wood, so far, like, I haven't had any problems with the authority with this car. Like, I thank God for that. Yeah, I'll do some dumb shit, but I make sure I do it in the right place in an appropriate time that I know I'm not gonna put anybody in danger or trying to get myself in any trouble with the law, right? So yeah, just be safe, like be smart about it, you feel me? Like, this car is fun and all, but do it somewhere where it's not gonna get you in trouble. So far, thank God for that. I haven't had no tickets, no nothing, no speeding. You're probably thinking like, yo, this nigga probably began like tickets left and right on this car. Now I got my speeding ticket on my freaking Ford Fusion. Yeah, with this car, nothing. It's pretty good. So yeah, if you're trying to own this car, I will recommend you getting the car. Yeah, forget about the insurance. That shouldn't stop you from getting this car or stop you from getting a dream car. Do your research, shop around, and yeah, you'll probably find a better quote than I did. For my age, yeah, I ain't surprised I'm getting that quote, right? With time, I'm gonna get more experience, and obviously every year my insurance is gonna be dropping down as long as I don't get no tickets, right? So finger crossed, you feel me? Anyways, enough blah blah blah. This car is definitely worth it for you guys to get, and that's the insurance with this car. So you don't know it, it's an inside thing, y'all.